Hello, everybody. Um, I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Maya Sloan, and I am going to do a webinar on beyond mindfulness for children and adults, and we'll tell you a little bit about the wisdom of Buddhism in these hard times. So I'm a counseling therapist and play therapist based out of Halifax, Nova Scotia, although originally I'm from Germany, but I did all my training here in Canada. And I've been, even before I moved to Canada 17 years ago, I've been a Buddhist over in Germany and England and learned how to kind of really look more inward and learn more about the nature of our minds and how we are really not as solid as we think, in a way, as our experiences based comes from our senses, and our mind can kind of help us navigate our experience and really looking more deeply into the nature of experience. Like, how solid is it really? How with awareness and kindness to ourselves we can kind of broaden out and see that things change all the time, and so there's uncertainty, not just in our times right now where we're stuck at home with our children, but really moment to moment there is freshness. So that's something I would like to teach you in this webinar, how you can feel this freshness and this kind of non-judgmental looking outside and inside, and help you with some practices for yourselves to settle your mind and open your heart, and do this with your children as well. So I hope you can join me. See you then. Bye.